So let's break it down. So on the daily time frame, I alerted in my Discord. I basically said that I basically said that I wanted longs, right? I'll put the screenshot up on the screen now, right in the middle, here, or somewhere like that. I think it'll probably be there, right? I basically alerted that I wanted longs. We had weekly SMT at the lows. We had a daily external range liquidity sweep, okay? And then I just wanted to target previous week high. I understood that we weren't going to be able to reach previous weekly high, okay? But it's a draw. It doesn't have to get met today, okay? And then if it's a 4 hour, this is the first thing I saw coming into the day. On all aligned time frames, we had a 4 hour gap, okay? Even though YM had tagged into it pre-open, I still liked the 4 hour gap, right? So in this example, from here, you can see that we have a 4 hour internal, and you can see that NQ failed to tag into it. So you see how YM tags into this 4 hour gap, creating SMT. And if you go back to NQ, you can see that NQ failed to sweep that low, right? So that is confirming to me we've got a bullish bias, right? We've got SMT instead of a high time frame liquidity pool, so internal range. This is now an A+ setup. I'm going to be long in the stronger asset. So from here, I actually refined this down to the 1 hour, if I can get there. So I refined this down to the 1 hour from here, and it's pretty simple to what you can see, okay? So I viewed it as this low should hold, okay? So this was around 10 a.m. So I wanted to see a 10 a.m. open, low, high, close, right? And then what do we get? We've got this external up here, which is also buy side. So you've got this just like that, right? So you're going internal, because one asset tagged into it, to external, right? So now we'll go down and look at my entry function. How did I get in the trade? So here you can see, this was the Asia. So the Asia lows were aligned with the 4 hour. And then as you can see here, what do we have? Our 1 hour external, right? And then this is our SMT on the high time frame with YM. So if I put this in here, it'll make it easier for you to understand. So we have SMT with YM on the higher time frame, okay? So now I need to look for an entry function. We got in here once we came back in and retested this breaker block, okay? So this would have also been an order block here. Obviously the order block didn't give an entry. That was also an inverse as well. Got the 2R and we got out. There's no need for me to hold all the way up here, right? I'm just going to take my 2R and I'm going to get out of the market. It's really as simple as that. Other than that, guys, I hope you have a good rest of the week. We're going to be passing some evals tomorrow with CPI in my free Discord. Other than that, guys, take care and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.